Hi everyone, in this video we are talking about SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is a digital intelligence provider for enterprise and small to mid-sized business customers. The platform provides web analytics service and offers user information on their client and competitor web traffic. All you have to do is log on to www.similarweb.com and click on the free sign up. You are then direct to the sign up page where you can either sign up with your name, email ID and password, or you can use your Google or LinkedIn account. It's a pricing here, but they have a free tool that you can use, and I just use the free one because it allows you to understand metrics about certain websites. Or you can use the search bar. So let's say we want to analyze a competitor or we want to do some market research and learn about somebody else in our industry. Today we are analyzing one of the largest e-commerce website, Amazon.com. Type Amazon.com in the search bar. So when we go there, we will see the information about this website. So we can see their monthly overview, about, related mobile apps, global rank, country rank, category rank, and also you can compare with other websites. So we can see month to month here. We can see the number, and so you can see where it is say March 2021 Amazon.com 2.55 billion. That's how many visits they got that month. So you can see 2.44 in April and 2.56 billion in May, 2.72 billion in June. Total visit in August is 2.65 billion. Also we can see average visit duration, page per visit and bounce rate. So you can do research on this and you can get information about different website and a different competitor, or let's say you want to start a business or right hot right now, or what's your trending affairs. You can use this tool to gain information about different business, but not only you can see their total visit, but you can see the traffic by countries. You can see their different traffic source, which is amazing. So they have so much information here. So direct is like I go into their app or their website, and their referral is like, let's say a blog has top 10 info website and they put Amazon there and people click through the blog to get to Amazon. That would be a referral. Search is like searching on Google or Yahoo, and their social media platforms. Mail is email, and display ads like Google Ads, Yahoo. We go down to referral. It shows the top referring site which have referred the user on to Amazon.com. And in the search section we can see how much percentage of search is organic and how much is of paid. So you could snipe their top organic keywords. So socially you could see they are getting a ton of traffic from all the different social media platforms. Advertising is like where they are running their ads from. Then you can see their audience interest, so you could see, like, I mean, there is so much information here, and here you can could even see their competitor and their similar site for even more research. And also they have a Chrome extension, and you just click it and all the information is right here. It's like a miniature version of what you saw on the website. You could see the global rank, country rank, category rank, visit over time, bounce rate, page per visit, monthly visit. I mean, there is so much you could do here. So this is just a most basic tutorial which SimilarWeb can give you, and Thank you for watching this video.